This briefing was recorded by the National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio at 10 a.m. on Monday, June 15th. We continue to monitor an area of low pressure over the south-central Gulf of Mexico. Conditions are favorable for development of this system into a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next 24 hours. This system will track northwest through the Gulf of Mexico today and approach the mid-Texas coast Tuesday morning. As of Monday morning, the National Hurricane Center has increased the likelihood of this system developing into a tropical cyclone to 80%. At this time, we are currently forecasting rainfall from the system to impact primarily locations across the eastern hill country, I-35 corridor, and points eastward late Monday night through Wednesday night. The greatest rainfall threat will be 2 to 4 inches of rain along and east of US 281, including Austin and San Antonio. Isolated amounts of 6 to 8 inches are possible east of this line, especially along and east of US 77. Less amounts of 1/4 to 1 inch are expected across the western hill country and Rio Grande Plains. This line of heavy rainfall could shift farther east or west, and amounts could be higher or lower as details on this potential tropical system become clearer. Given the saturated conditions across much of the area, any additional heavy rainfall could lead to high-impact flash flooding, along with moderate to major flooding of some rivers. A flash flood watch is in effect for the eastern half of the area, including the I-35 corridor. Expansion of this watch west could take place if model guidance shifts farther west with the heavy rainfall. At this time, it is too soon to determine impacts from wind, but the stronger winds will likely be located across southeast Texas. There is a low chance for isolated tornadoes across the far east during the day on Tuesday. Although confidence continues to increase on the development of a tropical system, we heavily caution that shifts in the track of the system and changes in its organization or lack thereof can cause large changes to the forecasts across south central Texas. So please closely monitor forecasts from the National Hurricane Center, as well as your local National Weather Service forecast office here in Austin, San Antonio, over the next 24 hours as details become more certain.